Reindeer poop. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? Well, it is the 11th day of Vlogmas. So I have something a little special planned, like a little surprise, a little challenge, so to speak. So tomorrow makes 12 days of Vlogmas. So in this bowl, we're gonna have something interactive going on. In this bowl are 12 pieces of crumpled up paper, which have 12 different assignments. The fun thing about this is that you guys get to choose what I do for tomorrow's Vlogmas. So yeah, so you have to choose tonight or you have to choose by noon tomorrow. So whatever the most popular idea is, I will have to do that challenge. So without further ado, let's start. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me the 12 days of Hustlemas, where I have to perform a comedy skit, play different characters in a skit about preparing for the holidays as a DIY digital entrepreneur. Okay. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me my version of a DIY lump of coal for a white elephant or a gag gift. Yeah, that might be a little dangerous. Lumps of coal could be interpreted to a lot of different things. Okay, so on the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me concrete planter with gold leaf details. Make it fun, make it challenging, make it different. Okay. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me 12 stories of being a YouTuber over 50. Okay. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, blah, 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 blah. A grown-up coloring book starter kit. Funny memes or photos so that grown-ups can color it in during the holidays. Digital product. That could be fun. It could also be dangerous. G-rated. 12th day of Vlogmas. Yeah, we know. 12 digital product ideas to sell in 2024 that we haven't heard before. That could be a good one. That could be a really good one. 12 days of Vlogmas. Relaxation on a button. No, that one's the repeat. 12 days of Vlogmas. 12 of the ugliest images generated on Midjourney. That could be really funny. Vlogmas in 12 days. A resin coaster set with embedded humor. Funny sayings or memes. Like, this drink is the reason I'm late, or why not? Resin coaster set with embedded humor. That could be kind of fun. 12 days of Vlogmas. Geometric concrete bookends. Okay. Remember, it's my interpretation of these things. scrap wood candle holder. Use scrap wood to carve and paint a unique candle holder. Add a holiday twist. Okay. The last one. 12 days of Vlogmas. Reindeer poop. Whatever my interpretation of reindeer poop is in a DIY form. So, oh yeah, we needed to make up for this last one that was a duplicate. So I'm gonna leave that one up to you. You guys suggest something for me to do. I'm a little tired. You guys suggest something for me to do. That's the 12th one. So yeah, guys, be kind. Be kind to me on the 12th day of Vlogmas. My tribe gave to me. Let me hear it. Give it to me. So yeah, guys, tomorrow's the 12th day of Vlogmas. I'm looking forward to hearing all of your suggestions. Yeah, like I said, be kind. This is a funny challenge. I've never done something like this before. You tell I'm tired? I've never done something like this before. I'm used to challenges. I don't buckle under pressure. And I think that we can have a lot of fun with this assignment. So let me know what you guys think. Totally off the wall and unexpected, and yeah, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. Can I go to the Dollar Tree? Maybe, yeah, if I could go to the Dollar Tree, maybe okay. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. And yeah, if you like this video, if this is your first time here, I promise you I'm not this zany. Maybe a little, but let me know what you think. Let me know which one you like, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12, the 12th day of Vlogmas. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave it to me. So please like, please comment, please subscribe. You guys might just want to subscribe just to see what madness is gonna happen here tomorrow. So I don't know. So I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12. Peace. Good night.